Put a finger down if you've ever been or you are a new agent with zero idea, training, or information on how to work with buyers and sellers, market yourself, brand identity, what to do every single day for this brand new career. We've heard it time and time again, and in fact, it's the reason that 80% of new agents leave the industry within just a few years. So we created a solution, the new Agent Skills Acceleration course. Get all of the training, strategies, resources, daily activities, and processes necessary to not only succeed, but to excel as an agent in this market. Now we've packed this course full of resources, strategies, examples, tips, all from top agents over 20 years of experience. But we need your help. What do you want included in this new agent course? New agents, what do you need right now to help you succeed? And what skills or information are you lacking in order to build the confidence necessary to get out in the market? Seasoned agents, you're going to be working alongside these new agents very soon. What skills do you find necessary when working alongside other agents? And what information would you give new agents if you had the chance to mentor and to help build up their confidence? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback is essential to this brand new program, and we cannot wait to share more information about this course with you.